Welcome to Shelter Mode, where you learn everything about shipping container living. We bring to you a design video. In this video, we feature Modbox 2240. This is an amazing shipping container home designed using 7 40-foot shipping containers to create more than 2,240 square feet of habitable space. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing design. Welcome back. In this design, on the ground floor, we have 3 40-foot shipping containers. We are able to accommodate a 3-car garage, a laundry space, and a guest bathroom. This floor is exclusively a utility space. From the car garage, you are able to join the main entrance lobby of the house. The main entrance can be accessed directly from outside or linked with an access from the car garage. From the entrance lobby, you get to the first floor level where most of the living functions of the house are accommodated. On this particular level, we have 4 40-foot shipping containers. The 4 containers on the first floor level are grouped in 2 pairs, whereby 2 40-foot containers comprise of the living quarters of the house, and the second pair of 40-foot containers are linked by a walkway to the private section of the house. On the living quarters, we managed to accommodate an open plan living space that comprises of a lounge space, which is big enough to accommodate a set of sofa seats. We have a big dining area that can comfortably seat 6 or 8, ideal for a big family. Next to the dining is an open plan kitchen, which has all the necessary essentials to make the kitchen space functional. The kitchen is also fitted with a horizontal slit window which lights up the sink space to create a bright and well-lit kitchen space. The kitchen has adequate counter workspace, including a kitchen island, which is linked to a small breakfast area that can comfortably seat 4 or more depending on your configuration. The living space is spacious and big enough since it occupies 3/4 of the 2 shipping containers. On the extreme end is a small guest bedroom with its own bathroom, plus adequate wardrobe space. The bedroom is fitted with a full-height glass door, which creates a false balcony overlooking the yard or the swimming pool at the rear of the building. The living space of the house is linked to the private section of the house using a glass walkway. The private section of the house accommodates 3 spacious bedrooms. The bedrooms include a big master ensuite with a sizable bathroom, a big wardrobe space, and a big bed space that can accommodate a king-size bed, and a small lounge space to enjoy the view. The master bedroom is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors, which are fitted within the docking ends of the shipping containers, creating a big, spacious master bedroom awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows. The other 2 bedrooms are occupied on the rear end of the shipping container modules. We have a small bedroom which can accommodate a single double bed, and a bigger bedroom on the farthest end that can accommodate 2 single beds, ideal for a children's bedroom or a rompers room. The 2 bedrooms share a common bathroom, which is also easily accessible from the living room. The 2 modules are connected with a glass walkway, which encloses a sizable home office or a study room on the front part of the house. On the rear part of the walkway, we have a kitchen yard, which is open to the sky to ensure sufficient daylighting to the kitchen space. We have a big sheltered outdoor deck stretching the entire frontage of the house. The deck can be accessed directly from the living room, from the home office cum study area, or from the master bedroom. To crown up all these 7 shipping containers is an additional module built using traditional materials, which forms the entrance lobby of the house, and they are all linked by a beautiful flat roof, which gives the entire design a sleek modern look. The entrance porch is a double volume space, and it opens into a double volume entrance lobby, which has a U-shaped staircase and very well lit. At the rear of the building, we have a double volume space, which acts as a nice space to be used as an outdoor kitchen, ideal for family barbecues and outdoor cooking to enjoy amazing evening dinners and family parties by the poolside. The 4 containers on the first floor level are sheared towards the rear of the building, enclosing a big private outdoor deck, which creates an amazing outdoor space for the family. This amazing space is ideal for outdoor dining, outdoor lounging, family entertainment, and amazing dinner parties by the poolside. We retained the original container corrugations on every elevation to celebrate the industrial vibe of using shipping containers as building blocks in this particular design. As usual, you are encouraged to use an appropriate insulation material depending on the climate of where you intend to build. If you are building in the tropics, you need to keep away heat from your shipping container house as much as possible. However, in the temperate regions, you are encouraged to use a good insulation material that has got good R values and moisture barrier properties to prevent condensation from happening inside your container building. Which part of this amazing design appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to go through our YouTube channel. We have over 100 shipping container house designs which you can pick from, and feel free to purchase the design you like from our website sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.